Coordination. To play the piano demands a lot of coordination between many parts of the body. Hearing, eyes. Movement. Hippocampus is the link between the two halves of the brain. Cerebellum guides the coordination between the eyes, hearing, and the muscles. The left side of the brain understands and can read the note's symbolical meaning. It controls logic. The right side of the brain experiences the music. It is the artistic side. Practice means doing the same thing again and again. This strengthens different nerve channels. To and from the hands, eyes, and ears. Now you can play. Faster and faster, without thinking.